Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You're given these 12 scores here, state test scores, 12 randomly high selected high school seniors are chosen to write complete the following. Looks like you went ahead and found the sample mean, and your question is about the sample standard deviation. You do have the correct formula here. Typically a person, if you watch the video, they'll break it up into a box, a step-by-step procedure, and realize n is 12 here. And so what your question was, what's x? Well, x is each one of these 12 pieces of data here, and the mean. So the first thing you want to do is take each piece of data minus the mean. The mean is 908.6. It's going to stay the same all the 12 times. So you take each of the number here, from each of these 12 numbers here. I took the first two. There's 10 more. Take that 1,426. You subtract the mean, and I guess I got 517.4. And then you want to square that. I got 267,702.8. I took the next number on the list, 691 minus the mean. That gave me a negative 217.6. We want to square that, which will make it always positive or zero. That gave me 47,349.8. So I did it for the first two numbers. You have to do it for the next 10 numbers. So you want to do it for all 12. This symbol here means once you've done that for all 12 numbers, you want to add this column. And so you want to find the sum of this column here. Then you'll take that sum. What you'll do is take that sum and divide it by n minus 1. Well, n is a 12. N minus 1 will be n minus 1 will be 11. So you add this column. You'll divide it by 11. That actually give you the variance, and then you take the square root of it, and that'll give you the sample standard deviation. So this is doing it by hand, and it's good to do a few of them by hand. Most people will use technology to do this. You can use the calculator and type this data in and let it calculate the mean and the standard deviation. I prefer to use StatCrunch. If you click on this little button here, you can go into StatCrunch, and once you're in StatCrunch, you click on the Stat menu and then Summary Stats and Column, and you can use the options there to calculate various things like the mean and sample standard deviation. I hope this helps.